So welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I'm running through something real quick, and that is a Santa hat. I'm just going to press a name on. This did come from the Dollar Tree. This is one of the sequin hats that flip up one color and flip down another color. So I have my Cricut set to iron on, and I have everything flipped around. I paused because I wanted to make sure I actually have everything flipped the way I said it was. So there you go. I still have to replace my mat. I am batch recording, so I'm recording a lot of these videos at one time. Set to iron on, and there we go. While my vinyl's cutting, I'm just going to iron the bottom of the hat, and I have it set to 1, just trying to get it straight. But I'm already noticing that this does not appear to be even. Could just be my eyes, but I've told you this before with certain Dollar Tree products, there's not always consistency in the item. So it is about 2.5 on this end. Oh yeah, and just slightly off, but it just tapers. So 2.5 on that end, and then it tapers off to about 2.125 on the other end. So yeah, it's not just my eyes, it actually did taper off. Alright, have my vinyl that I pulled off my mat. I'm using the green for my daughter. I had originally bought this hat for myself because sometimes I do Christmas deliveries and things like that, and my daughter wanted to know why I didn't get one for her. So I told her she could have this one, and then I would go back and get another one for me. So you know how we moms do if our kids want something, or if it's something special to them, sometimes we sacrifice for them. Not really a sacrifice to me, because I know I can get another one, not that big of a deal. But I am debating on what I want to put on mine. I may say like Diva, Santa's Helper, or something like that. I don't know. So that's my that's my font, and I'm just going to start weeding. And I know some people like to see weeding. Sometimes I feel like I look a little dangerous with this dental tool. And sometimes when I'm recording videos and I'm pausing, I'm thinking. Sometimes I'm trying to see the front of the camera, the back of the camera, along with what I'm doing. So I know I make a lot of pauses in my videos. It's probably not going to change anytime soon, because my children tell me I do it in real life when I'm talking to them. But I'm trying to think of too many things at one time. And so sometimes I will pause to let my mouth catch up to my brain. Okay, so while I was doing that and running my mouth, got a little bit of pull in my vinyl, so I'm just kind of stretching it and pressing it back out. And so that's what it's going to look like once I iron it on. That's really pretty. I do like this green for this hat. And I'm pulling that off. So I'm going to kick my heat up a little bit to the second level on my Cricut. On my Cricut mini press. I was saying Cricut, but my Cricut mini press is actually what I'm using today. So I kicked the heat up on that to level 2. Going to let that warm up. Oh, there it is. I was going to say, and I'll be back, but we're ready already. Okay. So it'll probably take about 5 to 10 seconds on this. And there's the release. there we go. So that was a quick project, about a 5-minute project. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.